There is no more P.S. Sangma and then other leaders. We are here with even in the old bottle also we have gotten new water,
So,
new wine. It's not me actually. We will see because we will not bring them back all because all of them might not be good. Some of them might be good. Okay, we might bring them some of them. It's not necessary that all the TMC MLA should come. You got my point? It's not necessary. So we have to look at and then take the view from the people whom they like. So let the people. It should be the people's choice. We just don't want to bring them everybody back, either from the NPP or from the NCP or from anybody, or from any TMC like that. We welcome them if they want to come back because you see God has given us a free will, so you cannot judge on that. Sometimes that's why there is a devil actually. So devil is always behind to tempt them. Okay, that's why they have a free will. If they want to come back, they are, we welcome them. Now, even our Madam Deborah, she has been working really hard, and because of her also, Sir Janet and his team has already rejoined with us. Thanks to
you,
even yeah, everybody. It's not about the GHCD. It's about the people. If the people realizes that our sixth schedule is going to be scrapped this and that way, or maybe it's going to be deduced into some kind of pulling out the power from the sixth schedule. So all kinds of things are there. So that's why it's the people's choice. We just cannot command or direct the people to vote for the Congress. If the people thinks is right, if they think that they need a changes, then they might give back to the Congress. You see, that's why I related to that particular prodigal son. Now he has realized, so he has come back. He has redeemed himself. So there's even the father, the parents, the family has accepted the prodigal son. Why can't we? He is a good man, so he wants to do something good for the people. That's why we accepted him. Party has accepted him. High command has accepted him. That's why we are working on that one. He himself has spoken, right? So I need not have to clarify that one. Congress is always there with the people itself. Okay? But when the wrong candidature has been given in the area where they wanted, definitely people defected from that particular area. So Congress has not been out. Congress is always there, and Congress will be there. I think he himself has bluntly spoke about the not joining the Congress. I think you might have heard. I think you all have already written that particular stance where he stood, that he will never be joining Congress even in the future also, right? Do I have to remind you that one? No, no? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.